Hi guys, what's up? Welcome to a new video. Today's recipe is another tasty sandwich using our famous 2-ingredient quinoa bread. This barbecue tofu sandwich includes a homemade barbecue sauce and some extra firm cooked tofu. So first I'll show you guys how to make the bread, and this footage is going to seem familiar because I also used it in the hummus sandwich video, and I had some extra slices of bread left over, so I thought, hey, let's make another sandwich recipe. Okay, so let's get our cup of quinoa and cup of water. This on its own makes a very plain but still tasty bread, but I like to jazz it up just a little with some agave nectar, thyme, and sea salt. So you can blend that and pour onto a parchment paper covered pan. And we'll bake that in the oven for 15 minutes. And while that's baking, we can start making the homemade barbecue sauce. We'll add some tomato paste, dates, oregano, dulse flakes, smoked paprika, chili powder, soy sauce, apple cider vinegar, and blackstrap molasses. So we'll blend this up until it's very smooth, and then take a package of extra firm tofu and slice it into just whatever size slices you like, and cook on medium heat until some of the water has been drowned out and it's more firm and chewy. Add the sauce into the pan and mix well. And our bread now needs to be flipped over, so you can do that and bake it for another 5 to 10 minutes. I'm in a new house with a new oven, and I realized that this oven is actually really good compared to my last one, and so I ended up over baking the bread just a bit. It probably only needed 5 minutes, and I put it in for 10. So, you know, depending on your oven, more or less. But still, it tasted very good. And now we'll add the barbecue tofu filling onto the bread, and voila! This would be really good to take with you for lunch, maybe with a raw salad or some veggie sticks. And yeah, the quinoa bread, it's just so versatile. You can use it for so many different recipes. And so sandwiches are definitely one of my favorite ways to use it. And yeah, on its own, it's very high nutrient, high protein, very filling and satiating, and it's been a great addition to my diet. So I hope you enjoy recipes like this. And if you'd like more healthy vegan recipes, you can visit our website for weight loss meal plans, our free starter guide, recipes, and articles. I hope you have a great day ahead, and I will see you soon. Bye!